In this video, we present a detailed tutorial on installing a concrete driveway in Mid-Hill. From initial planning to the final finishing touches, we cover every essential step. Planning is crucial for a successful project, ensuring proper measurements and layout. Excavation and grading prepare the site for the new driveway. Formwork and reinforcement are next, providing the structure and strength needed. Pouring and finishing the concrete is a critical phase, where precision is key. Curing the concrete properly and ongoing maintenance are vital for the longevity of your driveway. The initial phase of concrete driveway installation is meticulous planning and site preparation. This involves precise measurements of the area to determine the required materials. Marking the layout outlines where the driveway will be situated and aids in visualizing the final look. Proper drainage planning is crucial to prevent water pooling and potential damage. Ensuring the site is well prepared sets the foundation for a successful project. In the excavation and grading stage of concrete driveway installation, the existing driveway or landscape is cleared to make way for the new structure. Excavation involves removing any obstacles or debris from the designated area. Grading is essential for ensuring proper water runoff, preventing potential pooling or erosion issues. It helps create a level surface for the driveway installation, providing stability and longevity to the structure. Formwork is crucial in containing the concrete during the pouring process, shaping the driveway as it sets. Properly set formwork ensures the desired dimensions and finish. Reinforcement, such as rebar, adds strength and durability to the concrete structure. It helps prevent cracking and enhances the longevity of the driveway. The combination of formwork and reinforcement ensures a solid foundation for the concrete driveway. During the pouring and finishing stage of concrete driveway installation, the concrete is carefully poured into the designated area. This is a critical phase, as it determines the final look and durability of the driveway. Tips on achieving a smooth finish are essential for a professional appearance. Additionally, decorative touches can be added at this stage to personalize the driveway and enhance its aesthetic appeal. Curing is a crucial step in allowing the concrete to fully set and harden, promoting strength and durability. Proper curing enhances the structural integrity of the driveway, ensuring its longevity. Basic maintenance tips play a vital role in preserving the quality of the driveway over time. Regular upkeep and care help prevent potential damage and extend the lifespan of the concrete installation.